Hello, my wonderful friends, and a very warm welcome to my channel. I am so genuinely happy that you are here with me today. Before we gently dive into today's soothing little DIY project, I want to ask you to get completely comfortable. Take a deep, relaxing breath and stay with me all the way to the end. Please, don't rush away or skip ahead. Let's spend a little quiet, peaceful time together. Grab your favorite warm drink, settle in, and I hope this video brings a touch of calm and joy to your day. Comes one of my absolute favorite parts, bringing the drawing to life with color. I chose warm, inviting shades of yellow and golden tones to give our butter a cozy, buttery appearance. Coloring slowly and carefully is always so meditative for me. Watching the blank lines fill up with rich, warm colors feels like a small escape from the rest of the world. To add a final special touch of beauty and life, I took a rich green marker. Slowly and very peacefully, I began to fill in the letters and details. With every gentle stroke, watching the vibrant green color flow smoothly brings such a quiet joy. Take your time, breathe deeply, and let the calmness settle into every single line. Now, it is time for the wonderfully satisfying part. With my scissors in hand, I carefully followed the outlines of our craft design, trimming away the excess paper with patience and care. I love making sure every curve and corner is precise and neat. And finally, I left a small opening and gently stuffed the inside with soft cotton. Once it became wonderfully plump and squishy, I carefully sealed the final edge shut, completing our cute little craft. I hope you enjoyed this peaceful time together. If you did, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more comforting moments. Be sure to check out the channel for more wonderful crafts. Until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and goodbye.